27.1 inches. How about New York City? It was practically shut down this morning with a travel ban through lunchtime with almost 20 inches of snow, 55-mile-per-hour winds, so blizzard conditions there as well. Thank goodness the storm has moved on from New York. But check out Newport, Rhode Island, a high-end Category 1 hurricane, wind gusts 89 miles per hour. So it was certainly a very strong and powerful nor'easter, powerful blizzard. New York is digging out now, but things look a lot better than they did earlier when that wind was howling, snow was flying. The crews are working really hard to get a lot of these streets clear. There's still a threat for some patches of ice and still some snow-covered roads on the lesser traveled roadways, but things look a lot better than they did. And you could see people out and about. Earlier, it wasn't much to see. People were kind of hunkering down, staying in. But here is what's left of that snow. Up around Boston, we do still have some snowfall coming down here. The blizzard warning has been lifted for the Boston area, but for parts of Maine, we do still have that blizzard warning going through tomorrow morning. So there is the nor'easter, that coastal low finally starting to slide away from the northeastern U.S. So I think conditions will start to improve over the next 12 hours or so as that system moves on. What about us? Well, we've got high pressure in control now, but that high is going to slide off to the east, and that will make way for a huge warm up for the middle of the week. So we got one more chilly night. We're pleasant tomorrow afternoon, but I think Wednesday and Thursday we're back to the 80s. That warm up ahead of this next cold front that slides through Thursday afternoon. Notice there's not much rain associated with this front. It's going to be really starved for moisture, so we'll give it about a 10% chance to drop some rain on us. There's not going to be much, and then after that high pressure builds in again, so don't anticipate too much in the way of rain for this week. But that's good news because we're getting closer and closer to rodeo festivities, more of them beginning, and of course we got the trail rides, those riders coming into H-Town, so it is going to be a little steamy out there, steamier at least, warmer, more humid as we go through the week. 80 for Wednesday, 82 for Thursday. There's that 10% rain chance, but overall beautiful weather for the trail rides. Barbecue cook-off looking great on Thursday. Even with the weak front rolling through, it's still going to be quiet, mostly sunny, gusts near 20 miles per hour, but temps in the low 80s. One more chilly night, 41 degrees for Houston tomorrow morning, and then we start to heat things up back to the 80s by the middle of the week, and even behind that weak front Thursday will be a little cooler Thursday night, Friday night in the 50s, but back to near 80 for Friday and up to